Today's August 9th, which means on July 9th of last month, I placed my very first vending machines. And today, now that it's been a month, we're gonna go check them. See how much money that they made.
Too hot?
Too hot. Oh, Papa. Come here. You ready?
Oh, you're filming.
Yeah.
Hello.
How much money do you think I'll have?
I'm gonna, for all three?
One each, like.
One each?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say $4 each.
Okay, I'm hoping for 5. Okay.
Good luck, Kenny.
But we just got back from the vending machine locations. We went to all 3. One location made $4.75, the other location made $6.75, and another location made $8.50. And before leaving, I told myself that if they made a minimum of $5 each, you know, a total of $15 for this month, that I would go out and buy 10 more machines. But if they didn't make that much money, then I wouldn't go out and pay more money and invest more money into growing the business just yet, because I was a little worried that with my city being shut down and us going into recession and there being a pandemic and you've heard all this, all the crazy stuff, I was a little worried in expanding right now at this very moment. But I made myself a deal. If it made $5, then I'd have to do it. And it did, so I kind of have to do it. And the only problem is I've been looking all month. I've been going every single day on OfferUp, on Facebook Marketplace, on Craigslist, anything that I can think of, in order to buy used machines. And with the time, I've been learning, to buy Beaver, to buy Northwestern, to get like Rhino and LYPC. I haven't necessarily found any that I like or are in good condition for me to want to go pick up those machines. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to buy 10 brand new machines. So let's go buy 10 brand new machines. I want to take you guys with me right now to show you how much I'm going to spend on 10 brand new Rhino Gumball machines. And then on each location I'll film which new location is this gonna be. I'm most likely gonna hire Rodney again, the locator, because obviously he's gotten me 3 great locations. If they're making me $20 during a pandemic, I'm very happy with it. But yeah, let's go buy the machines and keep my promise to myself.